You know, I've been taking funny pictures that stupid people have done for years, and it just never ceases to amaze me. People, that is. Check this out. This exterior screen door. How about the installer that installed this door? They put the lock on the exterior, so anybody can walk in. You know, I did this once already, but wonder how I'm going to get in this house. Huh. It's a good thing there's no shortage of stupid. Yeah, you thought the other two were funny? This is the third time where the lock is installed on the exterior of the house. That's pretty sharp, isn't it?